Hi, this is Chef Herman. Today I'm repairing a Matthew Boulton candlestick. This was made in the 18th century in England. The material is about 15 thousandths thick, or about 26 gauge, and I'm using the Lampert Puck 3S Professional. And the reason I'm using this particular tool is because this piece was previously repaired with lead solder. And in removing the lead solder, I found that trying to get it back together with silver soldering was going to be very difficult because there were very, very thin areas. Because whoever did the lead soldering ended up removing some material around the solder seam. So what this is enabling me to do is actually use sterling wire, which is about 10 thousandths thick, and fill in that crack. Right now I am actually welding the seam together without any silver wire. And it's going along quite nicely. So here's the sterling wire I use. It's annealed, and I will show you what I've done up to this point. You can see that weld, and that will be very easy to clean up afterwards. What's nice about this is you'll never see the color difference as you would with hard silver solder. So I'm taking this wire and this alligator clip actually is a conductor which enables me to weld. You're in no danger of electrocuting yourself because your skin is non-conductive. And I'm just feeding this wire in just as though I was decorating a cake with frosting in a frosting bag. And I'm just pushing this wire right in, and it's depositing in this crack beautifully, nice and bright, and virtually porosity free. And looking at this under 10 power magnification is incredibly helpful. Prior to the Puck 3S, I was using the Puck 2, which didn't have this increased magnification, and it was much more difficult to get a sense as to how the metal was flowing. I have this set to the gap filling mode, on its lowest setting. And it's a very relaxing process just sitting here. I've got very good light. And I'll just keep moving along this seam until it's done. I'll go inside the cup and do a little bit of filling in, though it's doing a pretty good job from the outside. And then I will reattach the cover of the cup and attach the entire cup assembly back to the stem.